Life begins at conception. Let me walk you through the process without boring you with terminologies. Every month, the brain releases two special hormones. The first is called the follicle stimulating hormone, or the FSH, and the second is the luteinizing hormone, or the LH. Follicle stimulating hormone will act on the ovaries so that the eggs in the ovaries can grow and mature, while the luteinizing hormone will then initiate the process of ovulation, which is the release of a mature egg. Now, once the egg is released, the most it can survive for is between 12 and a maximum of 24 hours. So once the egg is released, it begins to travel through the fallopian tube. Now, what's the role of the sperm? During ejaculation, there are about millions of sperms released into the vagina, but only about hundreds of them can successfully swim through, possibly up to the fallopian tubes. But then, of course, only one of them will eventually fertilize the egg. So the sperm, which will fertilize the egg, must first prove itself worthy of that assignment. And it has to go through the process called capacitation. Capacitation helps the sperm then to swim faster so that it can eventually penetrate the outer lining of the egg. And once that happens, we say fertilization has occurred. A brand new human is on its way. So, of course, then the chromosomes XX or XY will then join to form the zygote, which is the first cell of a new human. So this zygote then begins to travel, continues its journey through the fallopian tube to the uterus, where it will eventually implant itself. It will attach itself to the lining of the uterus, the endometrium, and then we say implantation has occurred. So this journey will take about 6 to 12 days before the zygote eventually reaches its destination. So that is where we say pregnancy has started. So let's end there for today. And I'm sure you're looking forward to the next content coming your way. You don't want to miss it. So please subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and then share with your friends, everyone you care about. You never know where help will come from for them. And please don't forget to leave your questions in the comment section below. We are going to respond to all of them before the next content